วัสดีค่ะทุกคนมาอ่านนิทานก่อนนอนกันนะคะ Meets a little friend. A very hungry caterpillar crawls on a branch. He would like to have one nice green leaf. Mr. Seahorse and his babies are swimming. สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนมาอ่านนิทานก่อนนอนกันนะคะ A very happy lion walks through the grass and meets a little friend. Brown bear and two cubs climb a tree and play in the forest. It's spring. Wow! A very hungry caterpillar crawls on a branch. He would like to have one nice green leaf. Three ladybugs meet for lunch. On the wide green leaf, they find a very tiny aphids and have a feast. Mr. Seahorse and his babies are swimming in the sea. The water is warm and the sun is shining. One yellow duck is floating along. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Mr. Turtle ใช่ไหมคะใช่ไหมใช่คนนี้คือ Turtle. Yes, that's the end of the book. นะ